Visionary shit, nigga. 3 of the car, Gargoyle gang gang, Gargoyle gang gang, Gargoyle gang gang, the gang, the gang gang, the gang, the gang gang, Gargoyle gang gang, Gargoyle gang gang.
Have no fear, shoes. Listen up, man. This video has been brought to you and presented by Ridge. Yes, Ridge. You see that golden thing right there, man? This is where I keep all my credit cards and debit cards and my license to carry gun card, everything in there, man. Nice and thin and biodegradable, man. You don't need all that big old wallet no more. You don't need that sloppy Joe wallet in your pocket no more, man. That's over with. You get you one of these Ridge wallets. That's what I use and my dog Tall Guy use. Make sure you use my promo code Mrorganik 10, get 10% off, order whatever you want. It comes in all different colors. They biodegradable. You can't break them on the ground. It's just, listen, you want to have this, man. They look how fly it is. Is it gold like the chain or is the chain gold as the wallet? I don't know. You let me know. Does the chain match my wallet or my wallet matching the chain? You holler at me, you let me know, you holler at Ridge. The link below in the description, get you a Ridge wallet, man. Stop carrying that big wallet, it's embarrassing. The girls looking at you funny, you got that old Al Bundy wallet in your pocket, man. You got that Napoleon Dynamite wallet in your pocket. Stop. Get the Ridge right now. Link below in the description, Mrorganik 10. 3 of them. All right. So boom, now, got the Gargoyle Gang hats in. Make sure you go to organiclifestyle.com. I got the good gray ones, like it's on my head right now. You know what I'm saying? I got the burgundy with the orange to match the other fire mook I was wearing yesterday. You know what I'm saying? To match this joint here. You know what I mean? And this is what I'm gonna do, man. The first 10 orders that orders this outfit, I'm gonna throw this hat in for free. You order this outfit, the Tiger Sinister Sabertooth, or this one right here. You ordered either one of these outfits, the first 10 orders who order these outfits, I'm throwing in a hat for free, man. You see what's going on? I match this perfectly. This one match this one perfectly. So make sure you go to organiclifestyle.com. And I got the purple ones to match the purple fit. It's more of a suede material, man. Come on, man, stop playing with them, man. For the purple mook. You know what I'm saying? Ooh wee. Come on, man, stop playing with them. And it's a good, like, suede-like material. So that's crazy. And I got something to match that too. You know what I'm saying? And also I got the green ones to match the green ones, man. You know what I'm saying? Damn, these are hard too, because they're like I said, they're more of a suede-ish type material, man. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Gargoyle Gang on the back. And that matches this outfit right here. You understand me.com? You know what I'm saying? The dope boy fit. Ooh, look at the suede material, man. You know what I'm saying? With the Gargoyle Gang on the back of the ski snap too. Don't get it misconstrued or diluted, man. So anybody buy any of these fits right now, you get their hat for free. Throwing it in there for you, man. Make sure you go to organiclifestyle.com. But other than that, you know what I'm saying, handling business, unboxing. You know what I'm saying? Have no fear, Mrorganicshere.com. I got an unboxing for you guys, man. I told you guys I'm tapping back into the shoe world. Shout out to my dog, Mr. Skinny. His link below in the description, man. He the shoe plug. That's my shoe plug, man. And it's a cool dude, man. So make sure you rock with his channel. His link below in the description, man. He been coming through. He got me those biohacks ones. Then he's told me, man, I can get you whatever you want. I'm like, man, you sure about that? I've been seeing these one I want, man. The one's coming out now. And he's like, boom, no problem. I got you. And I got another surprise for you. So he sent me these. So if you know this box, comment below if you know what these is already. When you pop this open, ooh wee. This is how it flip up like that. You know it's something presidential. Shout out to my dog Skinny. You see him right here. He got one of the most legendary lives. Mr. Skinny Live. Shout out to him. You know what I mean? Throw me a good mask up in there too. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, shout out my dog Mr. Skinny. Threw me a mask in there. I appreciate you, champion. You know what I'm saying? Ferocious individual, man. But without further ado, man. These just came out and everybody know these are not easy shoes to get now. Everybody just can't get these mooks, man. Bam! Ooh, not those green apple mooks, man. Yeah, the Oregon duck green apples. Everybody can't get these, man. But my dog, Mr. Skinny, got them for me, man. So hit them up. These are legendary, dog. Shoosh. Man, like I said, I ain't been really too into the shoe community, but I'm tapping back in now that I got my plug with my dog, Mr. Skinny. I just like the suadeness of the material, right? Got a little extra little yellow flare on there, boop. You know what I'm saying? Clear gum bottom, yeah. And then you see that tongue, extra voluptuous. And then you got that on back, man. That speaks volumes, whatever that means. You know what I'm saying? And the gum sole at the bottom, nasty, man. Ooh, and then it's the yellow insole. You see that yellow in there? Ooh, ferocious, man. So these are presidential, man. I'm happy I got my hands on them. I'm gonna wear them with pride. Like I said, I'm tapped back into the shoe community. Shout out to my dog, Mr. Skinny, for lacing me up. You know what I'm saying? The most righteous way. Now, this is something that I've been wanting to get so bad, because if you don't know, these run in women's, so they're very hard to get. So my guy, Skinny, got a plug. You know what I'm saying? That's, you know, it's a controversial situation to get these shoes in this size, but he did it for me. You know what I'm saying? So everybody can't get these. He got them for me. Now, let me tell you the truth. Let me keep it organic with you guys from the seed. To get them in this size, you type, it's basically like a finagle moves. You know what I'm saying? But they're straight from a distributor. But I'm gonna keep it organic. That's what I gotta do, right? I can't be lying to you guys and faking a facade. I gotta keep it pure with you. But to even get these in my size, which is 13, is beyond difficult. So I wanted them so bad, I had to get these kind of. I don't give a damn. And my dog got a plug to get them, and I'm gonna get them. And I got them, and I don't care what nobody say. I'm rocking with them. So bam, you can tell by the box, right? Come on, man, it comes all the way together. Look at that, look at the box, man. Look at the box, man. Comment below, y'all think y'all know what it is, man. Comment below, y'all think y'all know what these is, man. Damn, these is crazy, man. Ooh, wee, Bruce Lee. Anyway, see the box, legendary. Comes with all the good packaging. You know what I'm saying? Pay attention. Y'all see that? Y'all can see already what it says on there. Y'all got them good eyes. You know what I'm saying? Comes with all the good packaging. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing too much. Bam! Come on, man. Got the off-white cream mousse, man. Like I said, there's some controversy with these for this size because it's difficult to get and it's almost impossible. But I did, and like I said, they type finagle mousse, but who fucking really gonna tell when they on Mrorganik? I'm just keeping it pure with you. But fuck that, I want these anyway, so I took them. Shit. So I took these. I was looking for them everywhere. They're like, they're women's. You can't really get them in that size. Well, bitch, bam, I got them. You know what I'm saying? And I like them because they're just so creamy, and then they go with my fits. So these new fits I got, that's not even a white, that's more of a cream. So these go with the new fit. Isn't that appropriate? And then they come with 3 laces. You know what I'm saying? Of course, they got the, you know what I'm saying, the all-white laces at the like tan, what's that? Like a teal Yo Gotti whipped green. You got the black, and then you got the regular white, but you got the cream in there. I don't know. Which laces do y'all think is the flyest in there? Which one y'all think should be in there? Which one? Comment below, let me know. I kind of like this teal green and this one because it got the lace, the words on there. I make it dope, and I think it stand out. You know, I like doing the mismatch. We'll see, it got the air on the side. So, hey man, this is what it is, man. I'm rocking with them. I got them. I'm taking them. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my dog, Mr. Skinny, got me all the way together. These are super fly, man. The green apples are insane. So that's my unbox. Oh, see at the bottom too. That's why that teal color comes into play. Cause they got the little, you know what I'm saying, teal there and teal there. And that's a nasty color with cream, with the gum sole like that. Stupid, man. So shout out to my dog, Mr. Skinny, for lacing me like that, dog. I appreciate you, champ. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. If you need shoes, hit him up on Instagram or hit him up through YouTube, man. He'll get you right, man. Definitely got me right. For sure, man. Like I said, I'm tapped back into the shoe world, having fun with these shoes. And of course, just wearing my own merch. I stopped wearing all that designer stuff. I got a couple robes and stuff like that, but I'm not wearing any shoes like that. I ain't wearing any clothes like that. I'd rather, you know, do something I know going to a black man. You know, to keep it organic with you. But shout out to my dog, Mr. Skinny. Hope y'all rocking with the unboxing of the 3 of them. You see the outfits, man. Make sure you go to organiclifestyle.com, get the merch. Don't stress yourself, bless yourself. Keep it pure. Make sure you get the book, Organic Seeds of Greatness, all up in your mouth, man. All up in your mouth, man. Big, yeah.
7 more 7, 7 more 7, 7 more 7, 7 more 7. Whole lot of horses, whole lot of horses, whole lot of horses, whole lot of horses. SRT, SRT, supercharge me, supercharge me. 7 more 7, 7 more 7, whole lot of horses.